Oh, I think I might have caught something. Really? Really? You're gonna be a douchebag? Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? I bought a phone holder for my car. Normally I have one that just sticks in the cup holder and holds up my phone, but I figured I'd grab another one because the rules in Arizona have changed. So now we're not allowed to even hold our phone, even if it's GPS, while we're in the vehicle. I bought this holder like a month or two ago, and I have not put it in yet. So it's specifically for the Mini, and it mounts behind the tachometer's little guy. So I gotta undo this and put it on. So hopefully it's not a horrible process in order to do that. So I drove to the top of my garage so I can have more light. So I'm going to attempt to put this guy on. So yeah, wish me luck. All right, so like it came with barely any real instructions, like some pictures, and it came with this tool, which is nice. To undo these screws, so that's what I'm working on. Hopefully I can get them back in, otherwise I'm screwed. I think I got it. Oh, here it comes. I should probably have grabbed a magnet or something from my toolbox so as to not lose these. There is another one here. Ugh. Ouch. Okay, got it. Okay, second one's out. All right, this guy should come up now. Okay. Oh, okay. Now I have to undo two of these, which I think I'm gonna mount it this way so it goes on my left side. I think they're reversible. Let me see if I move it. Yeah, this way. I can put it on here. Okay, so I need to undo the middle for sure. I did not bring a screwdriver of my own because I figured, well, it came with its own little tool. So I would just use this. Okay, we're getting there. Come on, broski. All right, two out. So if all goes well, should be able to this guy in here, our little tool, just loosey goosey. Take our other screw it came with and put it into this guy correctly. There he goes. I'm not trying to blake. Really, bro? Oh my God, I'm gonna hurt you. This is why you bring your own tools. This guy wants to be a pain in the ass. Like, seriously, bro? Like, it ain't that difficult. Okay, now it's starting to, like, peel metal, so we're leaving that. Broski. You didn't have to do all that. Okay, we're getting there. Like, seriously, this does not look like it's going in. The fuck? Okay, there it goes. I think now. Okay, I seriously don't think that did not go in. But this guy went in fine, so what is the problem, broski? What's the problem, bro? Maybe it doesn't even need it. Maybe we don't even need that spacer. Now I can't get it out. Dang it! Are you serious? I don't think this is like catching. I Honestly, bro. I feel like this was just like that guy caught. Why won't you? Oh, I think I might have caught something. Really? Really? You're gonna be a fucking douchebag? Oh my god. How long is it? Like, oh my god. This does absolutely nothing. What the fuck? The ever-loving fuck. Alright. We need these star guys to go back in. Somehow. We're gonna make this happen, people. It's gonna happen. Okay, okay. I mean, it was pretty tough to get out. And this piece goes on. Here. Right? Is it screw in? That's odd, but okay. Way to do it, but okay. Are you fucking serious? This bitch. Right there. You motherfucker. Sweet, sweet baby Jesus. It's not going to screw in because there's nothing to screw into. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna have to like fucking jerry rig this shit. Are you serious? Oh my god. I just want to hurt this thing so bad. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay, now I'm gonna put you ish there. Okay, okay. So yeah. This motherfucker. Oh my word. Why can't I be easy? Why? Here it is. My little mount. It's gonna go up there. Actually, I should adjust my steering wheel back to somewhat normal. And that's where my phone sits. So let's give it a try. All I want to do is put my phone on. All right, so it was a little tougher than expected, and only because the top screw looked like it stripped the hole it was supposed to go into. So now I can't get anything to tighten in there. So I'm going to have to see if I can find someone who can help me, I guess, fix that part so I can get it secured right. But right now I have it on. I have my phone hooked up to the little connectors. I'm going to drive down to my parking spot and park and see. Hopefully it holds my phone. Go down to my parking spot and park back in because I am at the top of the garage right now. And I put it on my left side to keep it out of the way, because if I had it on my right side, it's like all up in the way. I'm trying my best to... If I have it on this side, then it's not so bad. Like, it stays out of my way. All right. My phone stayed up. It's a good sign, I guess. I'm gonna run some errands today and see if this actually holds, because like I said, I'm gonna have to fix that top spot because the thing totally got stripped, and I wasn't even like twisting it that hard. So the fact that that happened is like really fucking disappointing. All right, guys, see you in a bit.